Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this beautiful dress, an off shoulder front tie, and it's going to have puff sleeve and a V shape and a ruffle one also. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this video with your friends, make a comment and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this channel, this video to more people so that more people can get to see this video and watch from it. Guys, please watch this video to the end.
Welcome back. We are making off shoulder tie front V shape with Ruffle. So this is the fabric that we are using, and this is the material. That is the front side, and that is the wrong side that we want to use and start the cutting. So we start with our measurement with the up shoulder. So I'm taking away from my tape rule to get our vertical length. So the vertical length of my top, now that is the upper side now, is 23. So it's 23 that I'm marking there now. So after that 23, I roll it out to get a straight line. So that is the length side of it. So after that, we'll now start with our measurement proper. So we have gotten it, that is the straight line. So I will start with the shoulder. So my shoulder is 16. So 16 is 8. So that is my shoulder side. And to bring it down, so I'm marking also with 7. So now to bring the off shoulder, so I'm marking 1.5. So that is the armhole. That is where we'll now get our armhole. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So after that, we'll now start with our measurement. Now that is the body measurement, that is the bust. My bust measurement is 32. So adding my allowance, my sewing allowance 1.5, that is what I've added there. So I'm still taking away my up shoulder where I got my length. So that is the half length that is there that I'm marking. My half length is 15. So remember, when you are marking, continue to take away from your tape rule because it's up shoulder that we are making. So that is the line of my half length. So under your half length is where we'll now get our measurement of the waist. So my measurement of my waist is 26. So that is the 26. So your 26 on your tape rule is 6.5. So that is the measurement there. So remember and add your sewing allowance. That is my sewing allowance. So I'm adding 1 inch first, that is for the dart. After that, you now add your sewing allowance. My sewing allowance that I added here is 1.5. So I'm showing you and I'm pointing it out for you to see so that you know what I'm marking through the body measurement. So come to the down side of it, that will be our hip side is 36. That is the hip side. So remember to add your allowance also. So I added my allowance of 1.5. So now to connect it from the bust, I'm connecting it now from the bust to the waistline. So can you see what I'm doing? So from the waistline now, you connect it also to get your measurement. So now the V shape is what I'm rolling now. So from that, your half length line, like the waistline, is where I'm marking out my V shape now. So can you see what I'm doing now? Packing it from there to get our V shape. Remember, it's up shoulder that we are making on this ruffle, dress that we are making, and it's a V shape of it. So remember the neck side now. So I want to mark at the neck side, my neck side. So I'm bringing it down now, that is the shoulder side. Remember, my neck side is V, so it's a round one, and the neck is a tied one. I will add a tie at the front side of the neck. So that is the cutting side now. Can you see what I'm doing now? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about my channel, let them watch it, and watch it to the end, please. So that is the cutting of the front side now. So because we have done with the measurement, so can you see how it is now that the V shape is out now? So now is the side. I want to cut out the side of it now. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So opening it out for you to see how it is. It's a straight neck that I want to have there because it's a tied one, so it will have a tie at the front. So that is the front side of it now. So now is the back side. So this is the back side of it. So I will use the front to lay it the way you can see that I'm doing, and also adding my zipper allowance on it. My zipper allowance that I added there is 1.5. So it's 1.5 that I added on my zipper allowance, and I'm rolling it out for you to see how the zip line is. So is that the zip line that I'm marking there. So after that, just for us now to cut, so I'm still showing you what I added here is 1.5. So the neck is what I'm also marking there now. The neck is a square neck at the back side of it also. So I'm marking 3.5 on the neck. So what I will just do now is just for me to cut, because the measurement is already done from the front side of it now. So I will cut it out, and you also have that shape of the V at the back side of it now. So now is the V now that I want to cut out now. That is the downside of it. So it's up shoulder, please remember it's up shoulder, and please watch my video to the end. Watch it and make a comment. The one that you don't understand, you ask a question, and I also want you to watch it again and again. That's why we are showing you this video and how to cut this up shoulder V ruffle dress. So remember it's V ruffle dress, and we have a front tie on the neck. Remember that, and you also see it by the time we finish everything that we are doing here now. The back neck is square, so remember it's square that we are cutting, not a round neck. So the front side neck is also square because it is a straight line, a straight neck that I make there. So because we want to put the tie rope on the front, and also the neck is 6 that I added on the front side because of that small tying that I want to tie that will also gather a little. So can you see the back side of it now? So it's out. So can you see how it is now? So what I will do now is for us now to cut the other side of it now. That is the ruffle side of it now, to show you how it will be. So to go and join everything together. So can you see how the back side of it is now? So this is the back side that we have cut, and this is the ruffle one that I'm telling you about that will show you. So what I will do is go and stitch it on the machine. So the length now is 15 that I added there, is 15, that is the length. So we'll take it to the machine together and gather it out. So can you see what I'm still doing? I'm still using my hand to show you how it will be by the time we finish gathering it. So this is it now. So we're done with it. So I've gathered it out and I'm showing you how it is now. So we use the machine to go and stitch it and gather it out. So the gather is done for the downside of it now. So this is the sleeve that we want to make also for the ruffle, and the sleeve we also have a gather because it's a puff sleeve that we are making. So I'm cutting it all together at once. So I've laid the front, and also to lay it together is 4 layer now, because by the time we finish cutting it will come out at the 2 sides of the sleeve. So we just for me now to open it out to go and also stitch and gather it, and to have that puff that we are making. It's a puff sleeve, and that is it now. So what I will do now to get the measurement, that is the weight now is 15. So that is the weight, just for me now to open the side of it now and take it to the machine and stitch, and before you know, our dress will be ready, our sleeve will be ready. So can you see what I've done there? Opening it and take it to the machine to go and stitch. So now I've stitched it out and we have gathered it, and you can see how it is now. So you can see how beautiful the fabric is. So it's done and now it's ready. So I want to take it to the machine and stitch.
Guys, our off shoulder front tie v-shape ruffle dress is ready. As you can see, very beautiful. Please, if you don't understand what we did here, you can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. That's why we are making this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can give this video a thumbs up, comment, like it and share it with your friends. Tell them about our channel and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching.